Another area that we're excited to enhance in this release is Content Center, specifically for expanding its capabilities to support publishing entire assemblies. Traditionally, Content Center has been a powerful way to manage and reuse standard components like fasteners or purchase parts. But many teams also rely on reusable assemblies, things like hydraulic cylinders, motors, or other multi-part components that show up repeatedly across projects. With this release, you can now publish those assemblies directly into Content Center, making them just as easy to place and reuse as any standard part. The publishing workflow will feel familiar to anyone who has used Content Center before. You can select the assembly that you want to publish, define a category within your read-write library, assign metadata, and optionally include a preview image to represent that component in the assembly. Once published, the assembly becomes a reusable asset that can be placed into future designs directly from Content Center. When placing the assembly, users have the flexibility in how it's inserted. You can place it in as a standard component, or as a custom instance that allows you to rename or manage the internal components of the assembly structure as it's brought into your design. Assemblies that include configurations, such as different model states representing positions like extended or retracted, can also be leveraged after placement, allowing designers to quickly adapt the assembly to the needs of their design. Ultimately, this enhancement helps teams build richer, more powerful component libraries. By enabling assemblies to live in Content Center along with parts, Inventor makes it easier to standardize commonly used components and accelerate design workflows.